Now, peace on the my people. Make a first share first. Hello, wow. I mean, in a Italy, long. I mean, in a Morio, Gunwag mo tayo tareo. Alayo sayo, alayayi. Ekene ni muda ude. Beni Jesu o, se ayo bo. Osanya iyo bo. Alayiga di aje, itwera mi jeme o. Wa bedu zola no kwa. Amio ano yunu eho. Amio ano yunu ya te mi dan o wa karosa. Chokpan. Agbon zagbon ti o wagagi sagbon. Agbon zagbon ti o. Ekene ni muda ode. Beni Jesu o ise ayo bo. Osanya iyo bo. Oh my voice so. Daddies and mommies, happy Sunday to you all. I greet you all according to your respective zones. Yes. I'm not so strong. If you're not seeing my face, no verse, don't worry. Share this video, please. Share it now loud. Te aderi maride, Baba. Te aderi maride, oh. Ije tsunami emefa, oh. Te aderi maride, oh, Baba. Te aderi maride, Baba. Te aderi maride, oh. Ije tsunami emefa, oh. Maride, Baba. Baba maride, Baba. Maride, oh. Ije tsunami emefa, oh. Yes, let's get started. Mr. Prince Abina what a caller. Ned Woko. Regina husband don't write full scale paper for us. May we they read. Now one of my mommy Ellie can't ask me say why was she going to him in a sea? I can't laugh. If Ned say he wife the smoke, I no go deny for her. You know why? I no go talk say they lie. I no go talk say Ned they lie. On the other hand, if he still they lie, not all this politician of it do. My first question be say, if they want break, they go say na what they smoke, now their wife they smoke, right? It did be I want live and in that time. Say na say they smoke. Nyeri Munya, representative of Feminasino, which is okay, right? Ned, Ned no complain before now, before this video come out, because of his political career. These people, they are devilish. Because of his political career, he name, integrity, where they built the go since then, he quickly write full scale paper, say, Regina na, say na, Ole Morocco, now Samuel, younger sister, which is good. But me, I will not say no. You know why? This is the result of marrying who you not like. Because I saw Deu, that one way marry Ubelega person. Where she do video talk, say, Reggie, oh, mommy, destiny child, I want to be sure that was you. Iye no gay. Yeah, I'm partially fine by God's grace, but I will be fine. Come on, me, happy Sunday. Imowu. Come on me. They will talk, say Regina had been one of the toppest name in Nollywood. She get name, which I said before yesterday, that unfortunately, you know now, she just want to top up. Now comment for the comment section, say she should make it clear. She should explain in a layman language, like, Regina is okay. She was doing well for herself, yes. That means Regina never married for love. I don't know the way other people they reason this thing, because from my own version, I understand from a different perspective. Right? Everybody have their own way of thinking. Meaning, Regina never married Ned Nwoko for love. She too married for fame. She was married to Ned Nwoko assets. She was married to Ned properties. While Ned himself got tapped into the little Regina's brighter future just to get fame. Ned was doing well for himself. All his so-called ex-girlfriends, so they said, allegedly, may I not reach her, not be me toast there for her. None of them refused to bring him to the limelight. And Ned needed to break record to get there. Is anybody trying to tell me like this thing called marriage is not a give and take? I don't get it. Because on the right sense or with the right sense, why on earth will Regina go and marry Ned, which we talked about yesterday, but yet to be concluded? I just want to get myself, because I'm going to elaborate on it very well. That everybody, mothers and mothers to be, people like me, we never born. We need to learn from each other. Then this so-called Ned Nwoko Fuska paper now, which is very true. On the other hand, I agree. Regina might be under drugs. Yes, she might. She might. Do you know why? When you are stuck in a relationship or marriage, especially when kids are involved, this one will not be abroad. You feel say okay. Now see go more that girl pad. And let me tell you, not be all marriage for the just the enter commot anyhow. It gets some men where you go marry, you know go feel break out. Regina have looked for a narrow escape. She no see. Regina have looked for a means to get out of that place. She no see, because she's being stuck and tied down there. The fame, the name, the influence, the bobo, the private jet, and every other thing she's being hooked up to. You get it? So it's not a problem. Regina is frustrated. She is in a shattered relationship, not just a toxic marriage. Her dreams are just wearing away under her nose. Her dreams are going down the drain. What will she do? Regina is stressed out. If her husband is telling her she's under influence of feminacy, yes, she thinks that's the best way for her to like get to Ned. Then Ned will not like, you go, just go meet your mama. That your mama will fake carry you, can't dump for you. Go back. But Regina forget that Ned is a master of ekemi, a sunu. Regina never knew Ned gets sense past the papa way born. Ned. Ned. Then I will age. That is the problem Regina found herself. I am not in any way disagreeing with this Fuska paper being a newspaper when Ned put for social media. No. Of a truth, yes. What do you expect from a little brat who is doing well for herself? We go first tap into her husband's so-called money if need be. So she have to help herself. She thought or she thinks that is the way to ease her problem. She no say if drunk I don't drink. Now sleep they take her. If you wake up, problem start again. No matter the quantity of alcohol you would take as a human, thinking that alcohol is going to subside your stress, trust me, hope I greet you. Happy Sunday. Trust me, alcohol is just going to sweep your feet off the enemy for the meantime. Once it don't expire, once you wake up, they wake again, unless you fix it. It's not just the talking. As a single girl, what I want you to fish out from here, I understand the situation of abroad. I understand the reason we do some certain things. And mind you, I salute those women. I salute you all that say, you know what? I know what I want. no matter what. And even if what you're waiting for is not forthcoming, you know what? Those that will just tell themselves, nah, bon, I want bon. I don't want marry. Now I feel bon first. You guys are doing well. You guys did marvelously well. Reasons best not to you people for this abroad. Because situation can make you do things you don't even want to do. Situation can bend you to a corner that you will ask yourself, is this me? Yes. But in Regina's case, I did not see any situation that surrounds her marriage. Nothing at all. She was still able to dictate for herself. She wasn't a child. She's an adult. She's above 18. So, why she not fit talk for herself? Why was she trapped into that marriage if she was not willing to go for it? According to her mom in her past videos, Regina is not a child. Yes, she's not a child. Momo. Momo. 1 minute, guys. No, not Versi. She didn't think it through. Then now she is stuck in it. To her, the only way she can escape is exactly. God bless you, Mommy Destiny child. Thank God you understand what I am trying to say. Let me switch off this light. After I not show face now, right? Sorry for the time. You feel me? So if you are stuck in a, you see, really more tell ourselves truth. Forget the fact say social media they make person feel less of himself. If you want to talk the content, you say go and marry first, go and do this first, go and first. Not be all of them where they marriage get sense, not be all. Because if now all, I see no reason why we person will marry, go they take therapy from who never marry because they get studio or a reader. Did they feel me so? I believe say nonsense. I the boy what boy me tell anybody. Do they feel me? Because everybody gets stained, nobody clean. No marriage, true to God, no relationship where be say gbas no day. It really day. But you see that thing where they make and calm, where be say your neighbor problem big passion, your neighbor marital problem big passion, you know the deal where they make and they calm down. Because your own get understanding, mutual understanding, no forget love now. Like your husband understands you, or your spouse, two of them understand each other to some level. So sometimes even love they fail, love they drop, love they reduce. But you see the understanding that supersede human imagination keeps it going. I'm telling you. Sometimes you feel they ask you, like some posts where they see, they'll say, if your husband never tell you, saying they regret why he marry you. If the woman go say, in the ask himself, say, why be saying that the day when stuff like that, now you can't ask him out. Those ones now be real marriage. Those ones now be real love. Those ones now be real understanding day. You can't even explain what you see for this person body. You can't even say. People go to see the negative side. You go to see the positive side. Even if say, really, last is day, lupus day. But you can see beyond that. It is because you alone understand this person. It is because you took your time to study this person. Same thing goes to the other person as well. So sometimes, when love fails, understanding carry it along. I don't see couple where be say the woman misbehave. When I say woman misbehave, social media almost spoil that woman's house. The woman get 3 kids for this man. They're abroad there. She they do anyhow. She they spend lavishly. She's the man of the house. But you know what? The husband said, this is not who I got married to. I will see how it goes. The man waited patiently for years, for months, for weeks, before God's intervention. When the woman get back to herself, she was like, really, did I did all this? The husband said, yes. As he got into this, the husband said, even past this, was it that bad? The husband said, if there is a word worse than bad, it is. You know what he can come out for the woman, man, when she they cry? She can't ask her husband, say, they did this thing for you. They near me for you. She can't, we just they talk, right? She tell me, she say, my user, she like, if you don't see me, right? So you can ask her husband one question, and the husband say, no, because I knew who I got married to. Most of you don't even know who you are married to. Most of you don't know who you are married to. Just like Regina. She don't know Ned. But Ned knew Regina. Even from her mother's womb. Ned don't know Regina. He don't target her. He don't mark her for her. That was why Ned overshadowed Mama Regina and Regina. Come madam for us. Regina is stuck. Regina don't even know how to run. If you show Regina and I say, Regina, if you do this thing, do this one, you will run, come out. Because she is vulnerable. Regina go one do and make she take come out. If you just give Regina bad advice now, provided say she feel use and come out for near the house, Regina will do it. If you like, can't tell Regina, say, Regina, you see pikin where you born. Because of this pikin, Regina don't even care. She don't know that she born for Ned because, like, she had a shattered dream. That was not her plan. That was not what she planned for in her life. That was not what she bargained for. Yes, Regina might be doing drugs. Yes, I agree with Ned. Yes, she can. Because she's like, oh, you can't understand unless you don't try her. If you even friend person where you no love, you just like the person, normal likeness. Maybe you get one particular thing you like for a body, just one particular thing. Some go say that the way that they make love to them, you're like, okay, good and fine. Now, only when they hungry, that woman go give you toto nako. When they hungry, the woman, now go give you toto nak. Because she not send your papa. If you want her, you not go see that because. Now, when the thing you see hungry, you can't give you. That is what it is. If you touch her for night, na problem. You got to use timetable, they knock you. You got to cut and follow you. You be paid puto. But you got to not be say she just tired. Like, oh, women will say, I've been doing housework, choices and all that, the kids, blah, blah, blah. I understand. But when it becomes extreme, my brother, nothing there again. You are just there like a decorating whatever, like the television. She's far gone. Her mind don't leave you. Now, so it still be for man. If man no love you, I'll tell you, just they play for that. Now, man even was pass. You and man feed this ass. Maybe he don't quick you born for her. To you now you want born, right? He no love you. The love don't finish, and you refuse. One good thing about men, women can easily say, "I'm done. I'm getting out of here." They know they care that they born put taking. But you see, men, Jesus, they go there with you, but they go they plan you. You not go know. Man go just there with you. You not send your papa. You not send your mama. He not love you again. You go say they knock you, Jonah. That is why Ashawo business not go finish. Because who go the knock Ashawo not be say he get love for Ashawo. But what he go do you? He dey inside mad. That is why before man marry woman for outside, not be one day planning, not be mistake. He don't want one. A mama is a plan. We not carry the palma. Oh, where mama is a plan. Goodness. A mama is a plan. He don't plan you before he go marry that woman for outside. Because he's done. But because of the kids, men go say they consider children. You not just want make out open. He don't try or miss. Now you know one pick. Say, okay, love not day again. For you to open my tell you, na problem to her. Now let woman to say, I'm done. You know what? I'm done. I don't care. I'm going with my kids. Blah blah blah. Man can never say I'm done. If you see my way tell you say he's done, you know say he overdone. Na bole. And nothing, na beyond repair. You understand? So if Regina is into drugs now, I wouldn't doubt it because she's stuck. That is why. I don't know about this generation of these days. I don't know. If they favor some, they favor some. But I never really see who in favor reach eternity though. Everything are luck, right? But this one when Ned they tell us say Regina not the year what. If you look Regina's first 3 years of marriage, she was not really acting now. If they go, Ned go follow her, they go carry fan follow, but they do this, do that. They do like Achalungo where she be. She was just okay. Because I saw the video Rio Papa King did. Like it was the video she did with one big star like that. Now it caused problem for her marriage, which I know did there. Regina is doing everything humanly possible to disconnect herself from what do you call her? Ned. Regina is done. Even her children cannot hold her back. If Ned say he want to collect Pikin assistance, what make Regina go? Regina is willing to give Ned those children. She not care. Because now I clear. Not be just so. Not be just now power. Regina will not be gas, not be ogume, nothing, no level. She just want to acquire power. Like, she just want to be at the top. She just want to keep reigning. You know, say when you get money, you can't get power, you can't get influence, forget. Those three things, now they work. In the days of Ned had the money. He had the power. But am I on? Because now I phone. But he needed something to boost his financial whatever. That was how he tapped into Regina's glory. Then he exploits. Who for no net? Nobody for no. So Regina smoke anything smokeable, drink anything drinkable. Regina is damn frustrated. She is. Take it or leave it. So you as a single sister like myself or a single brother out there where you never just do based on say you want to do. It is good to say you do when you are doing it from your heart. When you are not forced into it. When you don't want to do it because of the people of the world or the society. Even if you are of age like me, it's a must do. But it is better you fail at the beginning than you can't wait for this long, can't fail for the ending. Waiting pain person past that thing, those wasted years. Before person carry rope hang himself, no. Now be waiting Regina do so. Regina own is even better, it's even manageable. But the reason why Regina can't say even worse be say Regina step in with the tough and top, one of the top politicians. Who one can go carry Regina now, if not be to Naka and come on liver. People go they fear their dear life because of Ned. If Ned feel pack toss according to Regina for that video of yesterday, may they come follow and fight. Who can be you one go knock Regina where Ned no feel fine, may give away in their way. Now there be the mistake where Regina make. If na normal man or just common man, you say Regina for the fine want to come out. Yeah, what be here? What be who go pass ya? Okay, if you want of your Jenny. That see mama video anyway go collect from her. Me just shut up as she just shut up so. Do you think if it was a common man, just normal average Nigerian man, where see they try for himself? But it can't concern Regina, concern want to come out where they look for friends where one job. But Regina have tested private jets. She have tested Ferrari, even if not a papa in a day. You were the married person because of what? Remember this man have it before now. And not be your name day. That is where you fail, you forget to acknowledge. No matter of total way you go give me in go make and go change your name. Your name come up for there, put your own. That is where most of us, my gender, get it wrong. Regina was doing well according to Deu and the one where I see, or let's say now formalities that they do for that what do you call it? Nollywood, whatever. If no, say yes, she now with it. Good or bad, Regina was trying for herself, plus or minus. As an average Nigerian, she was trying for herself. But stalking into this marriage is what nobody knows. Only Regina and Mama can tell the reason why going into early marriage is not a bad idea. If you can, if you have the mental capacity to handle it, nobody is against it. If you know what you are going to do there, nobody is kicking against it. But getting married to the gods of their land is what I don't understand in Regina's case. Because of the fame. Now you've gotten fame. You are popular. Now you know what it takes to have peace and happiness. Not be all rich man they appeal. There is difference between a wealthy man and a rich man. That would be a topic for another day. So if you as a maid, such a major, we know how you want to. You see that the love could be 60-40 or 40-40 or 60-60 or 50-50, but there should be love from both sides. There should be feelings. Even if the love not come, first and foremost, there is what we call love at first sight. That love at first sight, to my best of understanding, is what I know as feelings that can bring two adults together to know themselves better. And the process of getting adapted to each other, love grows. But when that feeling is not present there that first time, absolutely nothing is coming forth. It's not going to come in the money, nor in the noon, nor at night. No matter how you have to force it. No matter how you will force it. No matter how you will twist it. No matter how you will try to bend it. No matter the matter. That is what we call chemistry. If it's not flowing from both sides, if it's not coming from Mr. and Miss, forget it. If it is a one-sided something, just rest. Automatically, loss is taking place somewhere. I don't know how, but loss is the chairman of that relationship. Is the chairman. Erica Osato, Asaboro, your smartness in relationship is a good one. I pray God should give you the best man. Oh, wait, may I read this thing of your own? Amen. Actually, there's nobody best. There's no perfect. According to my sister, you go say, oh, yepa. We're seeing we right till I left. Yeah, we left. Oh, well, seeing we left till I right at me. Oh, I'm right. You will water. You will oh, Erica Osato, thank you for that comment. But you know what? Like as I said, I grew up abroad. Yes. And by the special grace of God, there is difference between educational sense and street sense. I know to go to school. Like, I know be graduate, yes. I know be a professional person in my field, yes. But if I want to, if I choose to, by His grace, God give me life, I can. But say street smartness, my eye open as they talk, my eye tear as they talk. Because now person where he eye tear, now they notice person where he eye tear. You will see it in that person, like this person got sense, so. But now fear go make us condemn her. Not be say be no get sense, so. Not be say this person for no good, though. But Baba or EJ, now fear, oh. Because you yourself get sense, you get street sense. Now who not get, now you they deceive. Now you they whine. You they whine me, your father. No best man, no best woman. Nobody is best for each other. But the ability for both of us or both of them, anybody involved, to understand themselves. The ability for them to have that thing called feelings, that first one, beneath will say, go and ask what's the meaning in English. I wonder how some women will say, my sister, my love. No, there must be something in between. If a woman don't love you, Akbekus is the tight past virgin. And if a man don't have feelings for you, forget erection. No matter the alemo bitter we go drink, no matter the medication we go take. Because nothing. A man might love you as a sister. A man might like you as a friend. Oh, I wish this is my girlfriend. Yes. A woman can be like, oh, look at this dude. I wish it was my boyfriend. That's lost. But unfortunately, it's not yours. Government property and personal property not be the same. Are you getting it? It's two different things. So do not get yourself involved. Don't do it. Especially when you're knowing and doing it. Now that one bad pass. That is where I have problem with Regina's mother. Regina might not know as a child, but the mother is a wicked mom. The mother was just after her political career. Regina's mother was just after fame. Regina's mother want to blow, but it shouldn't have been this way. The mother knew better. At least she had a broken marriage. What she suffered, her daughter shouldn't have suffered, according to Yabo. She said she has paid the price. Her daughter's marriage must work. That is where I have issues with Regina's mother. Even if Regina single-handedly took Ned to her mother and said, Mama, this is the bone of my bone. If Mama no pursue and break that bone, tell her, say, my pikin, your bone still complete. Not this one. Why? Mama Regina wear red, follow a pikin wear white. Oh, Mama Regina wear long sleeve. Ah! Somebody say error. They thought they were smart. Ned was smarter than them. J-Love, good evening. Happy Sunday, love. She didn't consider their age difference. Love or no love, they both have different vibes. There is no way they can ever connect well, because what a parent will need at a particular time is not, God bless you, it's not what the child will need, because she's still a child. Exactly. A parent will get to a stage in his life. Love on free, how are you, my love? He might want to calm down as an elderly man who have seen everything, who have seen the four corners of the world. But at that time where a parent is calming down, Regina's libido for Ekia is getting higher. Regina wants to do what her mates are doing, because that is her peak time, her peak moment in life. Especially with a touch of money. If less day, money day, waiting she come one. She need guy where is so G, cute do to take parade. See this lady we marry now, Ivan. Regina needed somebody, not be say Abba say, not because of private jet or native where she did wear or photo shoot. As a photo shoot, there is a life. Photo shoot is not just her primary assignment. After photo shoot and Instagram live streaming, TikTok live streaming, where is the real Regina? That is where she go and embrace her drugs. Because Ned is not even available. Even if Ned is available, he's not on a business trip. He's useless in the eyes of Regina. Regina cannot kiss him like, oh, her. Like when you are in love with a person, when two bodies are working together, when they are even making romance or they are kissing themselves, forget it. The two, not one forcing one to do it. Yes, sometimes romance is contagious. Yes. Especially if it's a man or a woman that cannot hold themselves. Some men would think, if I just smoosh you might smoosh and kiss her where you. Same thing goes to some women. Some women might think, forget to, boy, now what is a kiss? You keep it you go kiss her and smoosh her and carry a nipple, chop her like she gone, do and say one do. No level. If you want bend down, go give her a BJ, go stop you. We still have some men like that. Yes, we still have them. Forget stories. Say the society has turned into something else. We still have men and women like that in this society. We still do. So Regina is a problem to herself. In fact, her shadow have left her. Forget the paparazzi. Forget the photo shoot. Her shadow has left her. She don't even care about the kids. That is why Benin go say, oh, don't be no or more don't be. Or more don't be. Yes, because at this point, Regina don't give an F about those children anymore. Because she felt betrayed. She felt she was kidnapped. She felt, oh, this time, this time I for the even talk about Peking. She felt she has not even enjoyed life rich. Like, oh, why now? Sometimes there comes a time in one's life, especially if not properly planned and arranged. can't go born for you, like. So they lose the pikin like hydrants sometimes. If not be abroad, we can't cover so many things. Before, multi hydrants talk less of say you can't go open pickles, can't knock who you not like. Pikin can't enter. Oh, Jesus. If you not done one so hero. If you not ballo one so hero. Now I love you, ye woman, or ye zepi. Ama iwe. Nama dedekata we feelings CJ or wherever. That person is in problem. I give them 3 years makachuku. No, in fact, no obo go fit make down. If you like, maybe say, if you like, the only way you go local, no level, no pastor, nothing. Because pastor say get a problem. Nothing they pray for you 247. So your instinct is the best thing, is the best leader in life. So Regina has finally found herself in trouble. So I don't know how she's going to sort it out. But I am telling you for free. The best thing not be rehabilitation. And for Regina to leave Ned's house. Let Ned free Regina. If the father can only help her and do that. Because he just go one more on there. No, you quick go back more. Free Regina. Justice for Regina. Not be go Jordan, go Jerusalem, go Israel for rehabilitation. No. The only thing Regina needs is to say, Ned, we're not there again. You know, say some relationship there, due to the person you are dating or you are married to, if you want to quit that relationship, if you hide, don't people not believe, say you not there again. So you are looking for a way for the general public to know, say, me and this man not there again, I am free, oh, so that who want come can come. Because most people don't like to knock person wife. Or my young tiny and what is paying go any big car and sene. You can't sort it with that in it. Opiano who one or ya one mere. He born David no with that no day. We do for that matter. Beg ya useless it me I will own one sir. Any totally way boy tram of bunum of traditional man or one mere. Wag boom Nero well land. To get what I mean, how one in money ruge. You will be looking for a way so that the general public, the universe will hear you like, ave spetaya, ave manicare reserve, ave reservoir, can I apply? Application letter a day. That is what Regina wants, not just quitting quietly, no. Regina don't want to quit quietly. She wants it to be known to the universe that she's no longer Mrs. Nene whatever ancestor, no, you're married. So that people can be free with her. She can date whosoever she wants to date. She can lash whosoever she wants to lash. But if she's still there, quitting peacefully and quietly, that lashing, people will not lash her with confidence like another person wife. Not let Ned catch you on a problem for you, Baba. Bro, live there. Oh. That is what Regina wants. That is exactly what she wants. There are some marriages you will find yourself, you will, because the way the marriage stay large, that's how the disgrace goes still stay large. The larger the marriage, the biggest and the bigger the disgrace. So do not deceive yourself. Don't. The best way for Regina to go for rehab now is for Ned to pronounce it like, we're not there again, oh, period. Two pele, according to my friend. Two pele. When I say whether una go still say they smoke, I bet she fed the smoke before Ned carrier. So you have to use your basis and calculate that the reason why this girl is going for drugs, not because she have the money, because she had money before now. She was trying before. It's because she's frustrated. She's stuck. She's looking for a narrow escape. And Ned is refusing to grant it. You don't ever this. Oh, gosh. And you know, I don't talk my own. I think I will rest and leave this case for now. For that notice, we are still on it. If we still see another one, we will carry it. Despite say we get our problem. We don't solve our own small. So we solve everything alongside. You get what I mean? Everything has to be sorted alongside. But I repeat, I beg my lovers, anywhere Even if you be my hater self. Anywhere you foresee Mama Regina talk or write, I use God beg you, just tag me for them. Even if you say you hate me, just tag me for them. You only guys, I deserve my comment. But do not, on no account. It is better you wait for long and have the best for yourself than you will wait for years. You will still fail. Why were you not waiting? Waiting you can't wait for. What was the essence of wasting and wasting your time? It's of no use, right? So you have waited for so long. Please do it right. Do it right. May not come be like say at the end of the adult they pursue you. You will run when no man pursue it. And it's only sinners that run when no man pursue it. I believe you don't want to be one, right? So please, you have waited for so long. Do it normally, not the other way around, not abnormally. The same age where you say you don't want to run, the same age go run, leave you. Still, now since we person, the person go still there. Can I wear junior yarewa? We not pray for that, right? May God help us. Eriko Sato, God bless you. Anybody behind that account? May God help us all. Because we are humans, right? Flesh sometimes they weak, they fail. But one thing is that stay put to your word. If you use mistake, person where you love or where you like, Mota, if I born for man where I love, he misbehave. Mark my word. Remember me my word anytime, any day. Especially this particular one. If I born for man where I love, he do nyama comot. For example, I not pray for that one this later while. I go zingbe, go come back, be a bamo. But if I don't understand. Anyway, never say never, right? But we pray for the best. And that is for that. My good people, I believe we'll still rest maybe later. Jit fitting come as with this cheat of Facebook. You never can tell. God bless you for your time. Keep sharing the video. Pray for Regina. Many of us still get teenager, many of us still get toddler, female children, female sisters. We see they grow, they come. So we just have to pray for them. For Regina, not before net. Because if mama fail, maybe our prayer still go a long way for her. Yes, I understand. Because at a vulnerable time, her mother sold her just the way Joseph simply said Joseph for Pharaoh. That was exactly what Mama Regina did to Regina. Yeah, Regina is the name of that family. So the mother sold her for cipher, for peanuts, for silver and gold. She have entered private jet now, right? She have entered Ferrari. She don't drive the most expensive car. But where is her peace of mind? A beautiful girl that is supposed to be settled with her husband, with 2 kids. She be person where she break her heart. Now that one go sit down, they laugh. His wife go, they say, thank God it happened, though. Thank God, though. J. It say no. You know, say, make her always say, that say, jeopardy. One or two pele. It say, Omunya Regina. Ona yo owiye omoho ona ya fi ho no pe anome ihwisene abi eha. Mama Regina, you are a disgrace to motherhood. I swear down. You are a perpetual disgrace to motherhood. Pikin wey don't train come out finish. She don't they do well. Bad as he bad. May God have mercy. My people, Oma, we're happy Sunday. Maybe later. Love you all. Thank you. God bless. For me, I think Regina wanted to leave the home because she was too young for. Why is she not too young for the gods of her land? She's too young for the gods of her land. Regina wants to feel a different touch. Hey, Regina, I said this yesterday. Maybe you were not online with us. Regina jebe na we okana ya muke Nigeria re. We okan tututu kateria ya mu ko ware o we kwe we respect. Kwe we bo fun o ti ogbalegbe no wa. ikwewe bo yen fo bi ge benefit o ya mure oni ma giaji o e mo kwe wo se we bo ne oni do fin o no do ta me gbe we ri agbonje ahun dan na je wan dan yen o me odo ami biele ka sion Instagram odo ami huwa e TikTok o ma re do ya pita wi wo ma gbe balere ya ne ne do ya ka iwo ma agbe balere egbe ni tame mommy me wa advice mo gbe so mommy ebo na me understand e we zo edo me hon edo ya bu mo de. Oh, I'm repeating myself. You are not hearing me well. When you're not, you don't tell it is the truth. He won't be valid. You have a fair TikTok voice in here. Ole, be ma ya fe arabetu ya ni sion. I will that thing na net. Ala we gba kun na when you bad one. Before you know it, yes, one have and they will not need freedom. O ya ni do agbin aye TikTok do agbin Instagram re ere ni e wa fi lane o wo kan na ma koko eno e no mu en yo ware eno you se pa yo ware nu we wa ya yo boy we ya mu ade oloko manu ya de mu ade wepo last a social emi why ne di we regina jena just that onye agire wepo e aje me tie bejo mi ya ne bu ya ne azo me tani gbi meni e dey my people later e tafu emi ya na tafu we dokpa emi ya na musa ga no mata e fo npa but in all iwe mi no ro orima e fana moti no ro oria o bia la o la wa hia do ra wa hia ri ho yo nwa ne ka ko we mu yo wanu ago boy odonu wa we agba de are gui are wa dolo e o me ya kian era ije me ya se kini ase ake mewe ije me mi ogi wole ma iye ami o wa ni dogban je ami o wa na gberun da do an abo we zona so pa ekena we won na jeke enwa kekiri we mi se o tun emu oni o matabo Imeje wa mu jo wan ye ki masigo menasa no tun wa no wi wa iwere wa bi apada keki de go masigo wa ti ipe anegele ajo wa abo degbe eriri oni ore ne dive even ati eye asabro but what if I have a man is 62 then you are the woman then the woman is 45 what do you think about it? Uno you carry 62 within 45. That one is good to go. 62-45 is a good mark. Right? They are matured already. But in Regina's case, Nyemaya and you 20 color. If that Regina and Wana, Yemaka and Waka. Even the art in it is all scripted. Scripted. Agboene, have a director, do it like this, not do it like that. And I made director of a movie. Right? A bad original name might be a here low. A neddy where the neddy where you or where you cage or where bodyguard or if